Now, a steak simply grilled is absolutely delicious, but a steak with a really quick red wine sauce, well, that's brilliant. So I'm going to show you how quick it is to do. I've just got 2 pieces of fillet steak here. They've cooked. I'm going to take them out of the pan and just let them rest. I'm also serving this with some radicchio. And you can see in this pan how there's all those beautiful caramelized bits. That is flavour, and that's going to make us a delicious sauce. So I'm going to add some French shallots, or you can just add some onion. And we'll quickly fry them up in all of those caramelised bits. And now I'll add some red wine to deglaze. And then now to bring it all together, I'm going to use a Continental stock pot. This one's a beef one, so we'll add that and then we'll slowly whisk it in. Adding that stock is going to give this extra flavour, and you can see that it's also thickening it up, so we've got that perfect glossy sauce. Now, I love to finish my red wine sauces with a small amount of butter, so we'll just add a few little knobs of that, and we'll just whisk that small amount of butter in, and then within moments, the sauce is done. All right, that's the perfect consistency. So now I'll spoon that over our rested steak. That is the perfect midweek dinner, just for an extra garnish, some parsley and some dill over the top. What a beautiful restaurant quality steak done at home.